Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm sharing the second part of my vlog series where I prepare and pack 3 boxes to send my parents in Sri Lanka. So let's just start packing. First I'm arrange all the clothes. I want to make sure they are folded and nicely and fitted neatly in the boxes. When I was shopping for clothes, I couldn't create a vlog because I went to buy clothes many days, and every time I went, I measured the size of the clothes like that. So I'm sorry about that. Anyway, you can see all the things I bought from this vlog. I have had some t-shirts, frock and skirts and some clothing items for my family. It feels so nice to send them something special from here. Once the clothes are arranged, I start packing the first box. I make sure everything in place and then I tape the boxes properly to secure it. First I pack the shoes I bought for my parents and my sister. So I shopped and picked out the most beautiful sandals that I thought were beautiful. I think they will like them. So you guys will like them too. Now I'm going to pack the clothes. So I still don't have a big idea how to pack because this is my first time. So I'm very nervous about that. Let's see. This is a special gift I bought for my father. So I think he will like it very much. The box is almost full now and I'm happy with how it's looking. Moving on to the second box, this is one is for the snacks. I'm adding chocolates, biscuits, pasta and other goods. So I have covered the glass bottles since it was the taking about a month to go to the Sri Lanka. I thought it would be the better to pack the glass bottle and to send them anywhere because sometimes they might break. Most of the time I went to the Aldi, Coles and Woolworth to buy things. You can also go to the shops where you can buy them in a bulk pack when you are packed in a boxes. I think that method is good. My sister is very fond of those stationery items. She has a lot of things she like stickers and color pencils. So I bought a lot of things she liked from the Kmart. I forgot to show the items I bought because I had put them all in a bag in the first box. Finally, for the third box, I'm adding a mix of everything clothes, snacks, and other small items. Actually, I have also included some stationery for my younger siblings. So I fill most of these third box with the chocolates. I bought a lot of different kind of chocolates for them to eat. If you haven't seen the video of us shopping for the chocolates, go and watch it, the part 1. I bought 2 special perfume for my mom and dad, so I will pack them as well. Once everything is packed, I tape it all up securely so it's ready to ship. That's for today's vlog. I hope you enjoy watching me pack these boxes for my parents in Sri Lanka. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. Bye bye, see you next video.